Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So a lot of you guys been asking me to how to do the Joker, which
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the no.
yeah, okay, so the point is that like and subscribe, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video.
For step 1, use some white body paint and paint your face and neck completely. After you finish painting, let it dry for a bit. Go in with some more white paint and highlight the cheekbones, jawline, and follow the wrinkles on the face.
I look like Michael Jackson.
For step 4, get some dark blue paint and a flat brush and start painting triangles on top of the eyebrows and a bit below the waterline. Try to make them look as identical as possible.
Okay, Dany. Okay. Why are you making them so big? You're not supposed to go all the way till here.
No, ma.
For step 5, you want to get some red paint and start lining the lips. Draw a line from the corner of your mouth to the center of your cheek. Go over it a couple times to make the line thicker. Use the red paint to overline the bottom lip. Step 6, hardest part, laughing my A off. Use your finger to drag down the blue triangle on the right side. Definitely hard, really difficult, do not mess up. Use your ring finger to lightly drag down the bottom triangle. Step 7, get red paint and draw some eyebrows. Start thick at the front and make it thinner as you go. Now, last but not least, step 8, go over the colors to make it as dark as you want. And there you go, you are the Joker. Subscribe.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and
Use code Dan in the item shop for
Yep.
beneficial gain.
yes, and
Aesthetic.
I will see you tomorrow because it's every day, bro. Peace.